Hi, this is like Handyman. Today we're replacing the sledge handle for the front door. Now this handle, when it all the way down, it doesn't open the lock. You would think maybe it's a lock problem, but if you go up, it opens it no problem. So that tells me this internal fault in this sledge handle. Luckily for us, they sell just the handle, same style, and we're gonna replace it. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take out this cap and remove this screw here. This is actually a bolt. We're gonna open the door because once we remove this, it's not gonna lock. We're gonna remove these two screws. Once this is removed, we're gonna pull out this handle and take out this. And take this part out. So the old handle is removed. Let's open the new one. See how they're making it adjustable. Let's see if it's gonna fit too. But first we're gonna stick this part in. Of course, we're gonna have to paint the door a little bit. Instead of painting the door, we're gonna remove these mechanisms. Take the new one out. And put it on existing handle, since we don't really have nothing wrong with that handle. All the tools and materials you see in this video, you can purchase on the link below. So it works. If you press the button, spring loaded up. Now we're gonna put the new mechanism. Can go like this. Stay right and even. Now this handle same way. So this way we don't have to paint anything on outside. So we can put the bolt back in. And put this cap back in. We have to switch the handle because it has to go this way. Because if we put it like this, the handle has to be on this side. That's why they provide the separate handle for it. The kit comes with a tool. So you press on this and the handle comes out. So now we're gonna put this on the handle, and this hole is gonna be aligned with this little tab that spring loaded and going up. Now we have a right side handle on. Kind of look in there, align with the holes. And we're gonna use the bolts for it. Don't tighten it up with the screw gun or drill. Because if you strip it, it's not gonna look good. Check for operation. We didn't mess with the lock because it's keyed alike for 3 doors. So, and I got a smart lock on it, but it doesn't matter. If it wouldn't be working, we would be changing it. Door is aligned correctly, going up, going down. All the tools and materials you see in this video you can buy in the link below. Thank you for watching. That was Legacy Handyman. Please subscribe to our channel, like our videos. Thank you for watching.